Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Taha, and I am an analyst with Elliott Wave Forecast. And today's date is January 16th. And in this technical blog, we're going to take a look at the Elliott Wave path in the real estate ETF, IYR. Now, we're expecting that IYR has struck a major low on October the 13th. The correction against March 2020 may have ended. So we're going to start from the lows at 1013. So far, it is showing 5 waves, and there is divergence right here that took place at blue 1, telling us that so far it is showing 5 waves. The pullback looks pretty corrective, 3-wave pullback right here that found buyers, and it has reacted higher, and it took the peak last week. Now, this opened up a bullish sequence, and in our system, this should keep extending higher towards the next equal legs area, which is 97.12 to 106.32. What we like is to buy any pullbacks against 12.22. Alright, so we're expecting, just like it did 5 waves here and a pullback, we're also expecting 5 waves in red 1 and a pullback in 2 before continuation higher. So basically, we like to buy any pullback in 3 or 7 at the next equal legs area, targeting this blue box. Alright, that's pretty much it. Now, we do cover 78 instruments. Alright, Forex, stocks, ETFs, commodities, crypto, you name it. Alright, we're a service that provides analysis around the clock. We're 24/7. We have a live chat. We also provide a 14 days trial. So, if you want to check us out, you can try us for 14 days. Alright, the link will be available in the blog. And that's pretty much it. I will talk to you on our next video blog. Have a great day.